In this short tutorial, you will learn how to enable lockdown mode on your iPhone. Lockdown mode is extremely important if you think there is a possibility of you being targeted by a highly advanced cyber attack. By enabling this mode, you can add an extra layer of security to your device. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Privacy and Security. Tap on it. After that, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Now you will see the lockdown mode option. Tap on it. Lockdown mode is an extreme optional protection that should only be used if you believe you may be personally targeted by a highly sophisticated cyber attack. Most people are never targeted by attacks of this nature. For complete protection, lockdown mode has to be enabled on all your devices. Apps, websites, and features will be strictly limited for security, and some experiences will be completely unavailable. So if you want to enable lockdown mode on your iPhone, tap over here. Now it will show you what is going to be unavailable or blocked when you enable lockdown mode. To enable lockdown mode, tap this. And then tap Turn On and Restart to confirm it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.